of your choice. There are gems in that box. You have to choose any one. You have to pick any one. The colors which are there, that is okay. The colors which are not there, they will be telling about their personality traits, something which other don't know. Right? For example, I am rebellious survivor, and rebelliousness shows the color purple. So my color will be purple. So what is your color? How do you resemble that color? Okay, and include your name. So please move fast. Take one gems of your choice and introduce yourself. You can even eat it. You don't have to keep it back. Yes, please. Ma'am, come. We'll start with principal now. So, others will know. Yes. So what is your color?
Blue.
Blue. Great. Ma'am's color is blue. Yes.
Actually, that
Something you can't live without here today.
yeah, like